Gustavo, thank you so much for having a chat with me today. So,
Thank you, Sophia.
um, tell me, what is it that made you sign up for Tech Non-Techies? And that was literally a year ago now. So, what was it?
Yeah, it was about a year ago, and basically, it was my desire to have an understanding about the tech world and how could I influence, understand that world without being a technical people. So I'm about in the finance field. So how could I get a better understanding of the technical world? And that was my key driver to join this amazing course.
Oh, thank you. So, really, how does a finance leader, how does a CFO need to understand? What do they need to know about technology? Awesome. And what did you get out of Tech Non-Techies?
Okay, first of all, great understanding about the technological sector. And first of all, to understand that it's one of the sectors that are very close to the customer and really related to the solution that you are providing. So my understanding is with technology, you could provide a solution to any given problem that your customer is facing. So with the tools that I learned, the overview that I learned in the course, I'm able to assess, for example, investment decision regarding to data storage. For example, when you are scaling up your application, your website. So really to have the key factors that you need to consider whenever you are analyzing an investment for technological resources, or even to have a conversation with my colleagues in the IT side of the company and to understand why are they referring to a specific terms that before they didn't have a special meaning for me, and now I understand about backend, front end, API, and a lot of technological topics that is important to understand.
Yeah, so it's really these words that nobody is born knowing what an API is. Um, and what was it in us working together? What was it that stood out for you out of everything? Because you learned quite a lot.
Yeah, I think that the thing that I like it the most, it is that at the end of the day is really focus on the product and the solution that you provide. It is more about jobs to be done. So if you have clarity about what is the real problem that you are trying to solve with a technological approach, if you focus to that and you really get what is the problem, you could focus and focus your efforts, focus the team that you need to have in order to create this solution. And from a financial perspective, where do you need to focus your financial resources to get this job done? So I think that is one of the main takeaways that I have from this course. This approach about really providing a solution with a technological approach.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your views. And I have absolutely loved working with you. And I love what I'm seeing that's happening in your career and your newfound understanding of technology. So thank you.
No, thank you for the invite, Sophia, and it has been really a pleasure to be a part of this course, Technical for Non-Techies, and a really exciting course.